TV. So today we're going to be teaching you how to take care of your truck after you're done running. So when you come back from running, some of the things that you can have on your truck: mud, obviously, but then you can also have issues like I lost a shock pin today. So first step to take care of your truck when you get back from running: take your body pins off, which you have to do to take the body off. Then lift the body off. There will probably be mud underneath. And there's a whole bunch of mud underneath. And then my truck is covered in mud. So you'll want to take your battery carrier out. Take your battery out. And then make sure you get all the dirt off of your battery. And set these components aside. Try and wipe off any mud. I always like to keep my body clips in a nice pile. Then what I like to do after this is bounce my truck on the front bumper, which will typically get all your mud off. Sometimes you want to hold it upside down. So we've gotten we've gotten some of the mud off. So here, I like to now go around, and obviously I need to fix this. So next, I like to fix everything. Come over here, grab your parts tin, and look for the right screw, in which I have one right here. And then you'll want to install it. So now that that's tightened, I fixed any issues. I can go ahead and put my tools away. At this stage, I like to go ahead and try and wipe up any watery stuff near my electronics, because using a fan at this stage or an air blowing tool can cause issues. We've got some paper towels here. Just gonna come through, remove the switch, and wipe off any mud. Mud is one of the worst things for your RC cars to leave on, because mud typically has water. You can leave it and let it dry and then knock it off. I just prefer to clean it when I just barely get back from driving. So now that I've gotten the majority of stuff away from the receiver, I'm gonna go get an air hose. So I've got my air hose, and I've already blown off the chassis on my truck. It's still pretty dirty, which is normal. And now there are a few little details that still have dirt on them. So I'm just gonna come along, wipe dirt off. Now, we'll set that aside. I mainly brought the air hose over for the body. So if you're driving, you'll probably flip your body open and realize this. So I've gotten the majority out of the body. Right now, you may want to go wash it, but I'm not really going to worry about that because I'm probably going to go out and drive. So that's how you clean your RC truck. If there are any other videos you're interested in seeing, just let me know. Link in the description below, and give suggestions on what you want to see. Also, now's a great time to like and subscribe. Tell your friends about the channel. Have a good day. See ya.